Lilu's Rakhi by Devika Joglekar. Hi, I am Lilu, big sister of little Kiku. Tomorrow is Rakshabandhan, so I am in a hurry. Little Kiku always appreciates things created by me. We have decided to say no to plastic. So I will be making Rakhi from paper, which is easy and quick. I have got papers in pink, yellow, purple, orange and green colors. Wait, there is more. A bottle of glue, cardboard, red silk ribbon and a pair of scissors. I have drawn these flowers where the pink one is the smallest. Orange is bigger than pink. Purple is bigger than orange. Green is bigger than purple. And yellow is the biggest. My mom and dad say I have to be extra careful with scissors. Slowly and carefully, I am going to cut these flowers. The flowers are fragile and I don't want them to crumble in any case. So, I cut out a small disc from the cardboard to form a strong base. My guess is 6 inches of silk ribbon shall be enough. Phew! I must say, this cutting business is a little tough. Using the glue can be messy. Be careful. Starting by spreading a piece of paper on the table would be thoughtful. Glue this biggest flower on the cardboard around the center. Waiting for a minute to let it dry would be better. Now, glue the green, then the purple, orange flowers like this and the pink flower goes on the top. Wow! Look at these colors pop! Put some glue on the back of the cardboard and then stick it at the center of the ribbon. Hooray! And we are done! Ta-da! Look at this! It's so beautiful! Hope little Kiku likes this Rakhi. That's so colorful. Friends, let's keep it a secret between you and me. Can't wait to see little Kiku jumping with glee. Tomorrow is Rakshabandhan. Lilu is definitely up to something. Oops, I still haven't got her anything. A book? But she has plenty. Hairpins? She has more than 20. I need something cheerful and pretty. What do you say, kitty? Meow. I know what she likes. Come on, hurry up. There is no time for your yawn. Good morning. Today is Rakshabandhan. I like to be ready by the first ray of the sun. Dear kitty, this red ribbon is for you. Meow. Flowers. Oh, so thoughtful of you, little Kiku. We have got this tree sapling as a gift for you. Friends, we plant a tree every festive occasion. That's our pact. Since Mother Earth is in danger, we must act. Let's take a vow to save water, plant more trees, and use less plastic for a better future. This Rakshabandhan, let's forge a stronger bond with Mother Nature. Rakshabandhan. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Rakshabandhan is a popular Indian festival observed on the full moon day of the Hindu calendar month of Shravan. which typically falls around August. This festive celebrates the selfless love between sisters and brothers. On this day, sisters tie a sacred thread around the brother's wrists. The thread is called Rakhi. In appreciation, the brothers promise to protect their sisters. Rakhis can be bought off the shelf or made at home. Rakhis come in all styles and sizes, just from a simple, elegant thread to the decorative, colorful, and full of bling. Among kids, big colorful Rakhis are quite popular. Thank you.